In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create new folders in Outlook. Keeping your inbox organized starts with a clear folder structure, and Outlook makes this quick whether you're using classic Outlook on desktop, the new Outlook app, or Outlook on the web. Let's walk through each experience so you can follow along with the one you use. If you're in classic Outlook on desktop, look to the folder pane on the left side of your screen. This is where you'll see your account name and the inbox. To create a new folder, right-click your name or your inbox and choose New Folder. An editable field appears right there in the list. Type a clear folder name, like Receipts, Projects, or To Review, and press Enter to save it. If you'd like to add a subfolder, repeat the same action on the specific folder you want to organize under. Right-click that folder, select New Folder, name it, and press Enter. Subfolders are great for breaking big topics into smaller, easy-to-scan buckets. In the new Outlook desktop app, the flow is similar, with a small wording change in the menu. In the left folder pane, right-click your email address, or hover over it to reveal more options. Select Create New Folder, type the name, and press Enter. For subfolders, right-click the existing folder you want to nest under, choose More Options, then Create New Subfolder. Give it a name and press Enter. You'll see the new folder appear immediately beneath the one you chose, so it's easy to confirm you placed it in the right spot. Using Outlook on the web, the process mirrors the new Outlook experience. In the left pane, right-click your account name or inbox, or hover to open more options, then select Create New Folder. Enter the name and press Enter. To create a subfolder, right-click the parent folder, pick Create New Subfolder, name it, and confirm with Enter. It's that consistent. Right-click, choose Create, Name, and press Enter. That's all there is to it. Thanks for watching, and happy organizing.